Starting a new habit feels exciting until real life hits. We get busy, we get tired, and suddenly the habit we wanted to build disappears after a few days. The good news is, building a habit doesn't have to be complicated, and you don't need perfect motivation to do it. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to make starting a new habit simple. We'll go step by step, choosing the right habit, defining it clearly, building a strategy, creating a 30-day plan, tracking your progress, and even troubleshooting if you fall off track. Let's get started. Sometimes the hardest part is knowing what habit to start. So instead of staring at a blank page or scrolling through endless lists, you can ask AI to suggest habits based on your goals. Here's a simple prompt. Give me 10 beginner-friendly habit ideas I can start this month based on improving health, productivity, and well-being. You see AI instantly generate ideas like daily stretching, reading 10 minutes a day, a short walk, a 5-minute evening tidy, drinking more water, journaling, or going screen-free before bed. This is great if you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed. It gives you a starting point that feels achievable. From here, pick one habit you're excited about, just one. We'll build everything around that. One of the biggest reasons habits fail is because they're too vague. Exercise more, eat healthier, read books. None of these are specific enough for your brain to act on. This is where AI becomes incredibly helpful. Try this prompt. Turn exercise more into a clear, specific habit I can follow daily. Or turn a 5-minute evening tidy into a clear, specific habit I can follow daily. AI will break it down into something realistic, like a 20-minute morning walk, or 3 workouts a week after work, or a quick at-home routine you can follow. You can do the same with any habit. For example, turn read more into a specific daily habit. AI might suggest 10 pages after breakfast, 15 minutes before bed, or 1 chapter every 2 days. The point is, clear habits stick, and AI makes that clarity effortless. Now that your habit is clear, it's time to create a strategy, the system that helps the habit actually happen. You're going to use a simple concept called the habit loop. The habit loop consists of a trigger, an action, and a reward. Ask AI, create a habit strategy for building a daily 20-minute walk habit, or whatever habit you've chosen. Include triggers, routines, rewards, and tips for consistency. AI will generate something like a trigger after morning coffee. The action is to go for a walk. The reward could be to listen to your favorite podcast or check off your habit tracker. And a tip could be to lay out your clothes the night before, keep your shoes by the door, and choose a consistent time. This turns your habit from an idea into a system, and systems are what keeps habits alive when motivation disappears. Habits stick best when you follow a structure for the first month. So next, ask AI for a 30-day plan you can actually follow. Use this prompt. Create a simple 30-day habit plan for this habit with weekly goals and reflection questions. AI will break the month into 4 weeks. Week 1 could be to start small. Week 2 is about staying consistent. Week 3, you'll be increasing your confidence. And during week 4, you'll reflect and adjust. It may also give you reflection questions like, what helped this week? What got in the way? What's one small improvement I can make? This helps you see your progress and adjust as needed, instead of giving up the moment life gets messy. Next, let's create a simple tracker you can use every day to stay consistent. Type this. Create a minimal, printable style habit tracker for 30 days. AI will generate a clean table with day 1 through 30 and space for check marks. This takes the guesswork out of your progress. You can copy the tracker into your Notes app, Notion, or even print it out. Seeing those check marks stack up is incredibly motivating, and AI gives you a tracker in seconds. No habit is perfect. You'll have days when you forget, when you're tired, or when life gets busy, and that's okay. AI can help you get back on track. Try this prompt. If I fail my habit for a few days, how can I get back on track? You'll get tips like reset with a smaller version of the habit, remove friction, do a 2-minute version on busy days, focus on identity. I'm someone who walks daily. Then you can ask it, how do I make this habit feel easier? AI might suggest preparing the night before, choosing a consistent time, pairing the habit with something enjoyable, or using a reward system. This turns AI into your personal habit coach, one you can check in with anytime. Now it's time for the final step, putting everything together into a clean, simple plan you can follow for the next month. Try typing this. Combine everything into a full habit building plan with strategy, a 30-day timeline, and a daily tracker. AI will generate a polished, organized plan with a clear habit description, your habit loop strategy, the 30-day structure, your daily tracker, and reflection prompts. This becomes your habit hub, something you can save, screenshot, or print. It's your plan, your motivation, and your guide all in one place. And that's how you can use AI to start a new habit in a way that actually sticks. From choosing the right habit to building a strategy, creating a monthly plan, staying consistent, and troubleshooting when things get tough. AI makes the whole process easier and more doable than ever. If you enjoyed this video and want more easy, beginner-friendly ways to use AI to improve your life, make sure to subscribe. There's lots more coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.